If you're looking to dive into B2B affiliate programs, PartnerStack is one of the best platforms you can use to manage and scale partnerships. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to effectively use PartnerStack to take your affiliate program to the next level. Stick around till the end because I'll share a way for you to get access to this software completely free, along with some exclusive bonuses you won't want to miss. PartnerStack is designed to help businesses grow by managing affiliate and partner programs more efficiently. Whether you're looking to scale your SaaS product, digital service, or any business with an affiliate structure, PartnerStack is an all-in-one platform that gives you the tools to track performance, onboard partners, and optimize your campaigns. Once you sign up for PartnerStack, you'll land on your dashboard where you'll find everything you need to manage your B2B affiliate program. The first thing you should do is set up your program by selecting the type of program you want to run, whether that's a referral program, a reseller program, or an affiliate marketing program. The software allows you to set commission structures based on different actions like sales, leads, or clicks. This level of customization is great because it lets you create the perfect incentive system for your partners. You can offer a flat rate, a tiered rate, or even a percentage of the sale. This gives you flexibility in designing a plan that works for both you and your affiliates. Once your program is set up, PartnerStack makes it easy to onboard affiliates and partners. The platform allows you to create custom sign-up pages that are branded to your company, making it super easy for potential affiliates to join. You'll be able to manage all your affiliates from one central location, seeing everything from performance metrics to payouts and even emails that have been sent to partners. The dashboard also gives you detailed analytics so you can track how your partners are performing, what's working, and where improvements can be made. These analytics are crucial because they allow you to adjust your strategy, identify high-performing partners, and fine-tune your offerings for the best ROI. Another great feature is the PartnerStack Marketplace, which gives you access to a wide variety of pre-vetted partners who are already interested in affiliate marketing opportunities. This is perfect for businesses that need to build relationships with affiliates quickly and effectively. If you're just getting started, this is a major advantage as it saves time and helps you scale faster. Now, let's talk about payouts. With PartnerStack, you can set up automated payouts for your partners. You can pay them via PayPal, bank transfer, or even through checks, which makes managing commissions super easy. This level of automation removes a lot of the manual work that usually goes into managing an affiliate program, saving you time and reducing errors. PartnerStack also integrates with other tools like your CRM, email marketing software, and analytics platforms, so you can sync all your data and keep your affiliate program running smoothly. So why should you stick around until the end? Because I've got an exclusive offer for you to try PartnerStack for free with an extended trial period. This will give you a real chance to explore all of the features and see how they can fit into your B2B affiliate strategy without having to commit right away. To get access to this exclusive deal, just click the first link in the description below. Start building your B2B affiliate program today and see the growth you've been looking for. PartnerStack truly gives you everything you need to scale your affiliate programs, from tracking and commissions to integrations and onboarding. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to level up your existing program, PartnerStack can help you optimize every step. Don't miss out on the chance to try it for free and kickstart your affiliate marketing journey.